Hi and welcome in this new video. On the shell I'm showing you there are a lot of models. It's cramped as can be, but most of them are OmahaBricks models. Some of them are currently in the web shop available, like the Kettengrad, the Junkers, Universal Carrier, Arch Tank, stuff that is available on OmahaBricks. Some things are also on my YouTube channel, right? Like this one. This one is available as instructions on omahabricks.com. Yeah, checking for more. Yeah, this one is tutorial. Are there any more tutorials? Oh, yeah, that one over there. Well, yeah. So I'm showing this all these with a reason, and the reason is that in this video, if you saw the thumbnail and the title of the video, of course, you know you are going to build with this instruction Locust tank, British tank. That design is an old OmahaBricks design. Actually, if I'm remembering correct, it's OmahaBricks design number 22 or something. So it's been like 4 years ago or something like that. That one was released only at my own Instagram account. We didn't even have a web shop and such like that. But by now it's outdated, and we actually have a bigger and better ones, better ones on our OmahaBricks web shop, and I encourage you to check out that one because it's really cool. And but in the meanwhile, there are some people who ask, can I get the old instructions from OmahaBricks, like the first ones that you ever did? Well, I discussed with Sebastiano, my partner in crime on OmahaBricks, if he would if he would approve, I would put the old OmahaBricks designs on my YouTube channel as a tutorial, just to give you all a present from OmahaBricks and from me, for you all, for being loyal to our brand and helping us to make it big. And so he said yes, and that is why you are seeing this video right now. And maybe in the future, like the Blitz could be possible. It's been this is a very old version. Yeah, I don't think there are. Yeah, and Wolverine is a very old version. Do I have more old designs? No, not on this shell. No, but perhaps in the future you can see some more of those old OmahaBricks designs. If you have any that you really would like to see that are no longer available in the OmahaBricks store, let me know and I will think about maybe releasing it as a tutorial video. But I'm not sure if it will happen. Sometimes I need permission from the original designer, and not all designers may like that, or yeah, just don't want it out there for free. Well, I think I said enough in this video, and you are here to see how the tank is built. So let me shut up. The parts list will come in a second. In the meanwhile, please consider subscribing to my channel. I could really use some more subscribers. And if you like this video, leave a like and leave a comment. That really helps as other people seeing this one as well. Well, I hope you enjoy it. The parts list is up. After that, the steps. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.